Good morning and welcome to our Kinkaid Middle School Band Assembly performance. We're so excited to present to you this morning some really neat pieces. And I think one of the things you're going to be really impressed with everything that you hear this morning. We have combined classes, combined 7th grade classes with 8th grade. And prior to this morning, this group had never been together on stage, never rehearsed as a complete unit. So I think that will add an extra element of flair to this morning's performance. Our first piece is entitled Robin Hood and the Golden Arrow. And one of the things that's really neat about this, in the middle of the piece, there's a battle sequence that you're going to hear a lot of different things going on in our percussion section. I hope you enjoy this morning. Our first piece, Robin Hood and the Golden Arrow. Thank you. That last piece was entitled Rock Star. It's definitely had a rock groove to it, a lot of fun for us to play. As a percussion or transferring from piece to piece so that we rotate them apart so the students don't just play snare drum or bass drum. They are constantly moving back and forth between all the different instruments. I want to point out a couple of things that impressed me and Ms. Harmley as we work through preparation for this concert. Much of what you hear on stage, by and large, is a large representation from 7th grade band right here. And what they're able to do with the restraints that we've had this year with COVID, and the fact that many of them did not get to finish their 6th grade rotation last spring, the things that they were able to do and put together this year with having to perform with masks and instrument covers on, really a testament to how hard these kids worked, and they've just done a fantastic job. The final piece of the program for 7th grade and 8th grade combined is a piece called Dark Adventure. This is by far our most challenging piece, and I think you're really going to enjoy the complexity of rhythms and textures, and hope you're impressed with Dark Adventure. I am beyond proud of that. That was so much fun for us as directors to put together. And man, the last couple of weeks they have really upped their game to put that together. And again, this morning was the first time that we put all that together. That was so much fun. We're going to take a couple of moments here to clear the stage and reset for an 8th grade performance. And I'd like to turn your attention during this time to Rosie. She's going to perform for us a piece on piano. Rosie, this is the one that you did for the solo competition, is that right? The solo piece? Oh, different one, okay. Well, anyway, Rosie's going to play a piece for us on piano as we reset for 8th grade performance. And we'll resume the band portion of this very shortly. Thank you. That last piece by Kinkaid was entitled Feel It Still. You probably recognize that, so you maybe heard that on the radio, popular piece. We're going to end our program this morning with a really fun Latin piece entitled El Taco Caliente. Hope you enjoyed it. Most of our seventh graders have departed at this point, but very, very proud of all of our students in their work this semester. Thank you for the families who were able to attend this morning. Hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you and have a wonderful day. This is El Taco Caliente.